Welcome to All-in-One YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about WebSocket in V2Ray. WebSocket is a transport protocol. With WebSocket, you can use VLS and VMS as authentication protocol. ISP uses host header in WebSocket client request to find where request is going. So, let's start our video. For WebSocket, it is best if you can use port 80 because it can give you more benefits. You can see V2Ray client side in left side and V2Ray client WebSocket request in right side in screen. Let's configure V2Ray client side. You need to choose WS as network. You need to type host here. You know what this is. You need to type WS path here. This WS path represents here in WebSocket V2Ray client request. Now client-side configuration is over. Let's go to server-side configuration. You need to choose WS as transmission. Here you need to put path value must be same to WS path value in V2Ray client side. So, we successfully created WebSocket connection.